SKA Group epitomizes our vision, your trust. SKA Group has a reputation for delivering completed projects like SKA Greenarch Phase 1 and 2, SKA Green Mansion, Skardi Greens Phase 1 and under construction projects being SKA Metroville Phase 1 and 2, SKA Divya Towers and Skardi Greens Phase 2 and many more spread over the NCR region. SKA is a name synonymous to conceptualization and luxury with on-time delivery in the heart of Noida, which is a commercial and business hub of Uttar Pradesh. SKA Group has taken an initiative to build your dream house. SKA Orion at Sector 143B on Noida Expressway, covering the minimal distance between your luxurious home and DND Flyway for 19 minutes, gliding on the smooth DND Flyway. While enjoying the lush green belt, you will witness the Gautam Buddh Park and Bird Sanctuary. While continuing straight on the Greater Noida Expressway, passing beneath the Maha Flyover. And spotting Amity University, you can also witness some reputed schools like Mayur International School, Lotus Valley School, the famous and renowned hospitals like Jaypee Hospital, Yatharth Super Speciality Hospital and Felix Hospital are located at a minimal distance from your opulent house. And Genesis School on the right side. SKA Orion is located at the heart of what is popularly known as the Silicon Valley of Noida, as it is covered with IT zones. It is a big employment hub and promises unparalleled growth in the region. SKA Orion is an allure for all residential dreams. In close proximity is also the Sector 143 metro station, which further boosts the connectivity of the project. There is also proposed metro from Botanical Garden to Sector 143 Noida. SKA Orion also has seamless connectivity from Pari Chowk and DND via the Greater Noida Expressway and from Noida Electronic City via Maharaj Agrasen Marg and Greater Noida Expressway. While also sharing close connectivity with the Botanical Garden metro station, SKA Orion is a luxury residential development with abundant greenery and complete serenity. We provide you with the best amenities such as a splendid clubhouse, which doubles as a convenience center, a swimming pool, a fancy restaurant with an amazing view, lush green gardens and a stupendous play area for kids, all within your own universe. SKA Orion,